Hey, welcome back to Yoshi Family, and we're going to be continuing on with the finance series, so let's get right into it. Debt can feel like you're stuck in quicksand. The more you try, the deeper it gets. But the truth, it is possible to get out. Today we're breaking down how to pay off your debt step by step without feeling shame, overwhelmed, or having a finance degree. Now, first things first, you can't fight what you can't see. List every debt, the minimum payment, who you owe, the interest rate, and the balance. Credit cards, personal loans, medical bills, all of it. I would recommend using a spreadsheet, a free app, a notebook, hey, whatever's gonna work for you. Now, facing the numbers might feel a little uncomfortable, but facing them is the first brave step of taking control. Here's a quick visual so you can see how simple this can look. Just create columns for what you owe, how much the minimum is, and the interest rate. You don't have to be a spreadsheet pro, just getting it all in one place already gives you power. Now let's talk about two strategies that a lot of people use to pay off debt. The first one is called debt snowball. This is where you pay off your smallest debt first. The next one is debt avalanche. This one focuses on high interest rate debt. It saves you the most money in the long run. Now here's where the magic happens. Once you pay off one debt, you take that money you were putting toward it and apply it to the next debt on your list. For example, let's say you were paying $45 a month toward your Capital One card and now it's paid off. You would take that same $45 and add it to the minimum payment of your next debt. So if your next card minimum payment is $90, now you can pay $135 toward it, and that helps you crush your debt faster and build serious momentum. Now, before you go all beast mode on your debt, build a small emergency fund, even if it's $500 to $1,000. Also, just so you know, making these consistent payments over time doesn't only get you out of debt, but also slowly builds your credit over time. You're reducing debt and showing lenders that you're trustworthy with money. This will keep you from falling back into debt when life throws curveballs at you. Think of this as your financial airbag. It softens the blow when things go south. Now make a realistic budget, because your budget is your roadmap. What I would recommend doing is using the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for your needs, 30% for your wants, and 20% for your debt and savings. And in payoff mode, shift more into that 20%. Cut the fluff where you can just for now. This won't be for forever. It's to get you closer to financial freedom. Now, to crush your debt even faster, bring in more income. Side hustle, sales stuff, freelance, Uber, DoorDash, yard sales. Even $100 a month can speed things up. And you're not doing these things to stay busy, you're doing these things to buy back your peace. I would also recommend setting up automatic payments so you never miss one. Celebrate even the little wins. Each one is a victory getting you closer and closer. Like literally cross them off one by one on your Excel sheet or your notebook. Now also, don't take on more debt while you're trying to pay off the current debt that you have. Pause the credit cards if you need to. Delete shopping apps. Say no more often. This is to protect your progress. You can even ask yourself before you buy something, do I really need this? Or is this gonna prevent me from getting closer to where I need to be with my finances? You can even call your credit card company and ask for a lower interest rate. Hey, it's possible. Debt doesn't define you. It's just a chapter in your life, not your whole story. Every payment is a step towards peace, options, and financial freedom. Now let me know in the comments, which step are you on? What strategy do you use to pay off your debt? Hey, I'd love to know. I hope this video has helped you in any way, shape, or form. Make sure on your way out, you hit that like, you hit that subscribe button for us. And also guys, we did say we were only gonna do the whole month of May, but we have one more coming out next week to finalize everything, make sure we're not missing anything. So hope you're looking forward to that. I hope you've been enjoying the series. If you've missed any, check them out. We have a playlist. And I'm Brother Yoshi, signing off. Bye, everybody.